Très, Vite, a tutorial video, section by section. We'll start with circles A and B, and we're going to do it what comes next, and then we'll do it with the metronome. So what comes first is, next is right, then both, then left, then both, right, both, right, both. Notice the left hand squeeze to the G. Both, right, both, right, both, cross right over, squeeze left, both. And then we do it again at circle B. But watch what happens with the left. Stretch right. We got a cross left over with 2 at the same time that right hand replaces with 2. And then we've got both, right, both, right, squeeze the left, both, then the left. Back up the octave left, both, right, both, right, both, cross right over, both, right, squeeze left, both, right, both. Now let's put it with the metronome. Very slowly. I've got it set at 60 beats per minute. So I count and we play together. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Now let's go on to circle C. We're going to go in our own time what comes next. So we've got from left over from where we were on that B, you have to pick up your right hand to go to that 2, and you cross, sorry, where were we? Here. We've got this 4th, 5 is there, yeah? 5's played together just before circle C. So pick up the right hand, put the 2 on the E up here. You're just going up the octave. That's where we start. Right hand steps up again, replace right, replace left. Left steps up to the 2 on the D right, 1 on the G left. Reach for the B, both, squeeze that right hand, stepping down right hand. We're going to stretch that 3 up to the C. At the same time, left hand is going to leap. Step up right. We're already there. Magic circle, step up. Left hand has to stretch down. Right hand is already there. Right hand has to stretch down. Left hand is already there. Now we've got a stretch on the left at the same time as crossing over in the right. Magic circle. Stepping up right. We're already there. Stretch the octave. Here we've got a big squeeze in the right hand. Stepping up. Magic circle. And down. Let's go through that one more time as what comes next. So circle C, magic circle, stepping up, replace in the right, replace in the left at the same time. Stepping up left, you're already there right, replace left. Magic circle, squeeze right, stepping down right. We're going to stretch that 3 up to C, left hand leaps up to A. Stepping up right, you're already there, magic circle. Stepping up left, stretch left, magic circle. Stepping up right, you're already there left, stretch a little bit in the right, thumb on that G. Stepping up left, stretch down on the left, at the same time crossover in the right. Stepping up, magic circle, reach that octave. Squeeze right, 2 on the D sharp, you're already there left. Stepping up right hand, octave left, reach for that B. Now, because there's so many more complicated things that happen in Circle C, I'm going to slow down that tempo, much slower. Instead of 60, I have it set at 50. So we hear pie, pie, apple, apple. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's do that Circle C one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Now we'll go on to Circle D without the metronome. It's very similar to what we did in Circle A. We start with 2 in the left, 1 in the right. Right hand up to the B, replace with 2, magic circle. Down to the 4, you're already there. Magic circle, step, magic circle, right. Squeeze that left, octave left. You're already there. 5 is already on E. 1 comes up to the octave. Magic circle. Here we've got a cross, right 3. Magic circle, right, magic circle. Left has to cross quickly to the F sharp because it's in quavers. Let's look at that Circle D one more time. Magic circle, 3 in the right, replace right. You're already there. Magic circle, right, magic circle, right, magic circle is a little squeeze in the left, and the octave. You're already there if you keep the octave in the left hand. Magic circle, right, magic circle, right, magic circle, careful of the cross, magic circle, right, magic circle, watch for the cross. So this one is another one that has a little bit of tricky stuff going on, so we're going to leave it at 50 beats per minute to put the metronome to it. Just these 4 bars in Circle D. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's do Circle D one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Now we go on to Circle E. It's very similar to circle C, minus the metronome. In our own time, right hand 2 up on the E, left hand is already 4 on E. So you have magic circle, F sharp, stepping up, replace right, magic circle, stepping up left, replace left, magic circle, right hand, squeeze the right, magic circle, stepping down right hand, big leap in the left but a stretch up in the right, magic circle, stepping up, you're already there, magic circle, stepping up, stretch the 2 down for that F sharp, your right hand is already there, stepping up, magic circle, just a little stretch in the right hand, stepping up right, now the left hand stepping up, the right hand's got to cross over to that F sharp, left hand has to move down to 3 on the D, magic circle, stepping up, magic circle, reach up for that octave right hand, squeeze right hand, magic circle, stepping up, magic circle, stretch the 1 for the B. Let's do that in our own time again. Circle E, 4th finger on E left, 2 on the E right. Magic circle, stepping up, magic circle, left hand stepping up, replace left hand, magic circle, right, magic circle, squeeze that right hand, stepping down right, little stretch in the right, big leap in the left, magic circle, stepping up right, magic circle, stepping up left, stretch the left hand, right hand is already there, stepping up right, little stretch in the right, left hand is already there, stepping up left, cross that right hand with 2, left hand stretch 3, magic circle, stepping up, magic circle, reach that octave right hand, squeeze right hand for the D sharp, left hand is already there, magic circle, stepping up right, octave left, magic circle, right thumb. Now let's keep it at this slow tempo. Put the metronome on. 1 and 2, ready, go. Let's try that again. Circle E, left hand 4 on E, right hand 2 on E. Ready, here we go. Done. Shut the metronome off. We'll do the final 4 bars, circle F. So we start with 2 on the G left, and we start with 1 on the E right. So we have magic circle, stretch that 3, magic circle 2s in both hands. You're already there. Magic circle, step right, magic circle, step right, squeeze that left hand, magic circle, stretch down the octave, magic circle, right, magic circle, right, magic circle, cross that right hand over, magic circle, right, and an octave in the left hand, magic circle. Let's try that again in our own free time. Left hand 2 on the E, right hand thumb on the E. So we have magic circle, right, replace the right, so both hands are twos. My bad. Let's start with that 2 on the G. Let's start that again. Circle F, 2 on the G, 1 on the E. Magic circle, right 3, replace, down a third left. You're already there. Magic circle, step, magic circle is F sharp left, right, squeeze that left hand, octave down. Magic circle, right, magic circle, right, magic circle, cross right, F sharp right, magic circle, right, and ease all around. Let's do circle F now with the metronome. I count and we play together. 1 and 2, ready, go. Let's do that again. Circle F only. Left hand 2 on the G, right thumb on the E. 1 and 2. Ready, go. Now what I'm going to do is take the whole piece all the way through using this tempo, which is 50 beats per minute for the crotchet. This is way less than half the speed. So I count and we play together from the beginning. 1 and 2, ready, go.